welcome to day 4 of building Blocky toys. So far we have Captain America, Swoop, and Thor. Today we're going to unbox this one. Just so you know, we still have 6 boxes left, so subscribe for day 5. I hope I get like a Loki or like Thor. Not Thor. Thanos or Hulk. Also, if you hear like random music or singing, it's just my grandpa looking at random music and singing. I got a new knife because the other one sucked. One back. Instructions. Stand. Alright, let's see who we got. Oh my god! We got the super rare one. We got the Iron Man Mark LXXV or Mark 85. The rarity is 1 out of 36. I'm so excited to build this one. Let's start the build. I really like the metallic red color, the golden color on the arms, the legs, the face. Building experience was pretty much the same. It does come with this flame. So how to use it is you can move up the arms. You can take off this hand, put in this hand. Like this, and then so see there's a dent in there in the circle, and then there's a little bump on the flame. You can put the bump into the little dent, and it's kind of like Iron Man is shooting a flame. Time for the glamour shots. The metallic colors are great. The details, like the white parts, the shiny gray, silver. The back has lots of details. Yeah. Also, I searched it up. Normally, there would only be a 3% chance you would get this figure. That's pretty rare. Alright guys, like and subscribe for day 5.